Hey everyone, welcome back to Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy troubleshooting for the iPhone 11 U2 USB charging IC chip. Let's get started. At first, we will disassemble the phone. Removing the sandwich motherboard. Now place the motherboard to a motherboard layered heating system to heat up the layered motherboard. After proper heat up, disassemble the sandwich motherboard. You are viewing microscopic view. Removing the protective shield. Removing the U2 IC. Cleaning the motherboard connectors. Reinstalling the U2 IC. Again, place the motherboard to a motherboard layered heating system to heat the layered motherboard for assembly. Assembling the phone. It's time to test. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the iPhone 11 not charging issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.